Hey guys, today I'm gonna tell you about a software where we can build high converting landing pages for our customers. And these types of landing pages basically required for running a digital business. If you have a digital business, if you want to sell some digital products online, so this software is a total game changer for you guys. The software name is Groove Funnels, and it's basically free for a limited time. There's a limited time offer going on with the software, which is basically free, no credit card required, and you can basically start for free right now. You can sign up here, you can fill up your details and you can sign up here, and you will have your account. So when you log in with your account, you will have this dashboard. Sorry, so when you log in with this account, you will have this whole dashboard, okay, where you can navigate with your account, your integration. I'm gonna tell you about the integration later. First of all, let's go with this. So here are the softwares, or basically tools within software, that you need to create a landing page. Okay, so let's take a look on the landing page, what we can build with this software. But there's a lot of requesting coming on. So with this software, basically you can build 3 sites. One I already built, and it is written here you can create 2 more sites. So basically 3 total sites with this plan. If you want to build more sites, you have to upgrade to Pro. So this is a very simple landing page that I built with this thing. Okay, a very simple landing page that I built. The point I chosen this software because this software is totally optimized for mobile, tablet and laptop. So your customer, wherever they will open it, it will be totally optimized with the site, so you don't have to worry about it. So let's click on new site, blank, starts from total scratch. So when you start a new site, you will have this kind of look. Okay, click on blocks. So here you will have all the blocks. All the blocks means already made templates, already made content. Okay, so like here's the content. So this is already pre-made templates. If you want to use it, you can check it out. If you don't want to use it, just don't use it, because you can build all those things from scratch. You don't have to worry about anything I'm going to tell you right now, right here. So let's take a look on creating a new website with Groove Funnels. So first of all, we have to click on blocks, and then we have to select headline. Okay, let's select headline here because it's gonna give us a block where we can have the whole system setup. So first of all, we have to just delete this thing. Okay, we don't need these things. We're gonna build it from scratch, so we don't need these things. Okay, so let's go to element, go to text, drag and drop here. Okay, it's just a simple drag and drop mechanism. It's no rocket science. So I'm gonna just copy it from here. Okay, my previous landing page, so we won't have to waste much time. So as we click on select all, and here in text, okay, here in text you have to click on this. 1 second. So here in text you have to click on this. Okay, so it will look more professional and more, so if you want to change the background of it, you can change it with this. Go to background, select black, with this thing. If you want to select this, go to background and then select white. So sorry, go to text, select here, you will select white. Okay, it's very simple and just drag and drop process. You will have all options here. Okay, so now we're gonna go on elements and we're gonna pick images, right? Where's images? Where's the image block? There it is. It's an image block. Okay, so we pick the image block, and with this image block we can resize it. Okay, so it's very simple. So you can resize it. You can basically have, go to configure, choose photo images, and then there are some images that I uploaded before. Uploading an image is very simple. You have to just click on the image that you want to upload and click upload, and it will get uploaded. And also in this software it will take little bit time to get upload. Okay, so don't worry that it's not uploading right away, because it will take a little bit time, so don't worry about that. The software takes a little bit time to load, several things, several elements, because of the new mechanism. Don't worry about it. So here we're gonna select, so it got uploaded. So here we're gonna select my previous uploaded photo. So you can basically click on upload image and then select the image from anything, suppose this, and click open. So it will get uploaded. And remember, it will take a little bit time to get uploaded. So if it's not uploading right away, don't worry about it. Just wait for a second or two, or it will get uploaded. So as we uploaded a photo, just select that photo and click on the select button and click on here update. Okay, so you have to update it on the main system. So here we can drag and drop. So this is how you do it. And when it comes to this, you have to have an email opt-in page. Okay, so basically we are building an email opt-in page. So for email opt-in page we need to have a form. So drag and drop here. It's basically a simple input field. Okay, and drag and drop submit button. So here we get two buttons. So if we want a little bit of space in here, so it's very easy, just drag and drop. Okay, if you want to change the color, go to background, click on this and just change it. Okay, just change it. You want to click on this, just click configure. Here you can type the keyword you want. You can drag and drop, you can resize it very easily by dragging it down. Click on background, you can change the color from here. Okay, so you can make it blue, whatever the color you want. Okay, it's not. So this is how you make a full landing page. Okay, and click on save. Don't forget to click on save. Okay, after clicking the button you have to choose the host name. So you can choose any host name. Okay, I clicked this and click on publish, and after publishing it will take a little bit time, like 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds. Just wait for it and check it out what will happen. As if you want to, this is the this is the landing page that you will get. You can make more websites if you want to add more pages to it. You can go to pages, you can add from this, you know, whole, if you want to use template, you was importer, and if you want to start from scratch, you can choose from here. So it's a very beautiful feature that you can have here, is that you can add pages. So it's not just a landing page builder, okay, it's a whole website page builder. And if you guys want to, also I forgot to mention one thing, if you want, you have to integrate something with this form, because right now these guys don't have an email service, so you have to integrate something with this. So add integration, and with integration type you can choose anything from these options. These are popular companies that provide email services like ActiveCampaign, Aweber, Campaign Monitor, Web Page Forms, GetResponse, Mailchimp, Mautic. These are all, you know, modern and good companies, and these guys are providing you with the option of integration. So it's very good, it's very good feature, I like it. And it's just it, okay, it's a beautiful thing. And you can have pop-ups, you can just, you know, play around with this software and check out what's going on with this, you know. And there are tons and tons of software that, you know, going to come. And also these guys also have email service, you know, like they also have Groove mails coming, Groove videos is coming, Groove members is coming. So there are a lot of tools that these guys are going to come with in future. So I think it's a pretty good software.